Welcome to the unboxing and assembly video for the Meebike electric bike. With the bike, you'll find everything you need for assembly located in the small box, including a manual, quick-release skewer, pedals, tools, charger with cables, and the headlight. You can now proceed to carefully remove all the safety wrapping from the bike. Then, let's start step 1. Use this tool to attach the handlebars. Start by unscrewing the screws on the handlebars. Then, assemble the handlebars and tighten them up. Installing the headlight is easy. Use the included bolt to fix it in place and then connect the lines. The quick-release skewer is composed of several parts. Make sure the front fork is placed at the same position as shown on screen. First, remove the nut covers, then unscrew the nut from the side with the longer spacer. Insert the quick-release skewer into the front wheel, and now you can lift up the bike and put the front wheel into place. Don't forget to add the spacer and then add the nut. Tighten it up and finally add the nut covers. Next is the fender. Start by sliding it in place. Fasten the fender with a screw from the front to the back of the fork. Then, use the wrench and hex wrench to tighten it up. The fender should also be screwed in on either side of the fork by the wheel hub. The pedals are marked with R and L, meaning right and left. The right pedal needs to be tightened clockwise, while the left pedal needs to be tightened counterclockwise. Align the holes in the rear rack with the holes in the frame and tighten it up with screws. Now for the battery and charger. Insert the key and turn it counterclockwise, then press the button and take the battery out of the frame. Press the button on the battery to check the remaining power. You can charge the battery when it is on the bike or when it is removed. Long press the on-off switch for 2 seconds to power the bike on. Set the gear and check the lights. Now you are ready to ride. Let's go.